Hey guys, before we start off, I want to introduce a few concepts so you can start on a sure footing. Let's start with DevOps. In the earlier days, you had different teams for developers and system administrators. A developer's mindset was more focused towards developing the product and pushing the code out to production as fast as possible. Now, this would sometimes be in conflict with the mindset of a system administrator because system administrators were more focused towards running the operations as smoothly as possible and maintaining system uptime. Now, DevOps as a methodology relies on increased collaboration between the developers and the operations staff. Thus, the dev in DevOps is for developers and the ops is for system administrators. It achieves this collaboration by automating as much as possible. Now, there are three primary areas in DevOps. Infrastructure automation, where you create your system OS configs and app deployments as code. Continuous delivery, where you build, test, and deploy your apps in a fast and automated manner. And site reliability engineering, where you operate your systems, monitor and orchestrate them, and also design them for operability in the first place. Now, if you are interested to know more about DevOps, I would recommend you to go on the internet and research about DevOps and agile methodologies. With this, we've come to the end of this lecture. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.